Hi everyone, it's Miss Katie. I'm here with a science experiment for everyone to try at home. It's a chemistry experiment. So what I'm gonna tell you about first is what you'll need for it. So first thing you're going to need is some milk. Whole milk works best, but if you have 1%, half and half, anything like that, they'll work fine. It's whatever you have available. Then you're gonna need some food coloring. Usually you have the 4 colors: green, red, blue, and yellow. Some Q-tips and a little bit of dish soap. And I just took a little bit and squirted like 1 squirt into this little bowl. You're also going to need a shallow bowl. This is a pie plate, but anything that's very low you can use, okay? So the first step is to take the milk and pour it into the bowl. And you're going to want to make sure that the milk covers the whole bottom of it, like that. Next, you're going to take your food coloring and you're going to put about 2 to 3 drops of each color, just randomly. So there's some blue, yellow, some red, green. Okay, so now you're going to take one of your Q-tips and that little bit of dish soap, you're just going to just get a little bit on the end of your Q-tip. Then, this is the fun part. So I'm going to move this a little bit closer to see if you can see it. Okay, and you're going to take the Q-tip and you're going to go right where we dropped the food coloring. And you'll see it makes a really, wow, look at that. You see it? So there's a reaction happening with the milk and the proteins and fats in the milk and the soap and the food coloring. So each time you do this, makes a really, really cool swirly design. So the fun thing with this is you can keep going for a while, and each time you do it, it's going to be a little bit different. And also it's great because most of the supplies are things that we have at home. So I hope you like this, and I hope you'll try it. All right, have a great day.